Alright everybody, this is going to be a quick test of my new panel. My EST, sorry, let me focus that, 6601 is a very small panel, as you can see. Has one zone, one NAC circuit. And the interesting thing about this panel, it actually does march time. I'm pretty happy about that because I've been looking for a panel forever that would be able to do march time. So all you have to do is that there was a resistor, as you can see. It's right there, and I removed it. And when you remove it, it does march time, and if you put the resistor in between, it does continuous. So I'm gonna give it a quick test, and it takes like a second delay before it actually sets off the alarm. And there you have it.